Day I'm hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy,
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, hustling.
Oh, welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? And today we got ourselves a banger daily market news and analysis. What is up? What is up? How's everyone feeling? Out of 10, make sure you guys are spamming that like button. hitting that share so other people can spam that like button. Let's just get this party started, y'all. Why is there a 404 here? That's not good. He says, yo, boy, what's up, bro? Ski, please check. Look at Zilliqa. I got you, bro. It's the third time I'm asking. What price do you see H-bar on base case? No answer. Bro, what do you think I am? Your personal, like, what do you think this is? I've answered it 1,000 times. 60 cents. I just bought your car flipping course, bro. Bro's capping. Let's go. What up, Sona community? What's up? The NASDAQ just launched a meme coin. That would be hilarious. Good afternoon, handsome. I got one entry, was supposed to add a note or just an email and phantom address. Enough. That's right. We're going to do the, it has your address, Jimmy. So these are for everyone who, we're going to do the spin the wheel later. I'm going to show this. We're going to get into the news in just a second. But we are going to spin the wheel later. This is for everybody who got in before January the 20th. And if you didn't, it's okay. We're doing another one. It's going to be up until February 5th. Okay. We're going to go over this. This is going to be at 7 o'clock. So in 19 minutes, we're going to do this. This is how it's going to go. There's going to be 3 spins. All right. We're not doing a warm-up spin because I don't want someone to like see their wallet and it's like, just kidding. That would suck. So how it's going to go. First spin. That's third prize, which is going to be 25,000 Sonic. Second spin is going to be second prize, which is 50,000 Sonic and a portfolio review. Third spin is the grand prize. My God. What is that? Thanks for subscribing, fam. The third spin is 100,000 Sonic plus portfolio review plus a one-on-one consultation. All right, let's get into the news and analysis. Top story. Bitcoin sweeps across the U.S. As of today, 11 states are introducing legislation for strategic Bitcoin reserve. You're like, well, I don't think that Trump's really gonna do it, bro. I don't think he's really about it. I don't think he's really gonna do it, man. Well, just like The Rock says, it doesn't matter what you think. Because The Rock said, it doesn't matter what you think. Here's what's happening. Florida, Wyoming, Massachusetts, Jesus. Alabama, New Hampshire, Pennsylvania, Texas, OH, North Dakota, Oklahoma, and Utah have all placed forward legislation for their own separate Bitcoin strategic reserve. Well, I don't think that he's actually... It doesn't matter what you think! It doesn't matter what you think! Everyone thought that BlackRock wasn't going to pass their ETF too last year. You know, last year, like on the day, last year, what was the price of Bitcoin? I know everyone has such a straw view on cryptocurrency. What is it doing today? What is it doing right now? I'm down 2% in the hour. Damn it, Ski. Here's some perspective for you. January 22nd, 2024. What was the price of Bitcoin? $40,000 1 year ago. What about before then? What about 2023, January of 2023? What was the price of Bitcoin? $20,000 in 2 years. Bitcoin has done a lifetime of stock market gains. And you're worried about going, well, we went from 107,000 back down to 104,000. I don't know, man. I don't think. Gee, my wife's boyfriend told me that Bitcoin's going to 12K. What should I do? Come on, man. Get out of the straw view. This is what's happening. Here's the best advice I've seen in less than 60 seconds on trading.
Anyone starting trading is going to lose money for several years. You're looking for a career that pays a lot of money. Everyone trading wants to make a lot of money. You're competing against extremely smart people, and it's essentially a zero-sum game. So you're trying to take money from really, really smart people who are trying to take money from you. And when you start out, they're going to win. You're going to lose money. And but if you have the discipline and you're careful and you learn how to be objective and you try not to be greedy and you use stops, you use profit targets, I believe it's something that you can do. But I would start really small, and I would be
So there you go. That's some of the best advice I have seen. Being realistic about getting in the game of trading and understanding who you're going against and what you should do. Some of the best advice that I have seen on the internet. And this is, it looks like it was taped with a VHS cassette, but that's okay. The truth don't change no matter when it's filmed. All right? You hear me? The Rock says, it doesn't matter what you think. Good morning, Ski. Can you go over concentrated liquidity pool range? I sure can. I'll make another video on that. Sonic is going to 589 because that's the bottom line, because Stone Cold Steve Austin said so. I'm going to stomp a mud hole straight in your ass, because that's the bottom line, because Stone Cold Steve Austin said so. Ski, should I Ski should start a Bitcoin reserve in Tennessee. Ski, I'm down 3.5%. Are we going to 12K? But Ski, my wife's boyfriend told me that Bitcoin's going to 12K. What should I do? Should I cheat? We're down 3.5% today. Jimmy's mom said the Bitcoin strategic reserve's not going to get past. Jimmy's mom said. Do you think Bitcoin will do a double top like last? I think that we got a super long distribution for Bitcoin. That's what I think that we're going to get. All right, reminder, we're going to do the spin in 12 minutes. 3 spins. This is how it's going to go. First spin, third prize. We're not doing a warm-up. I don't want someone to see their wallet and be like, just kidding. Whoopsies, I'm a Sagittarius. We're not doing that. First spin, third prize. Second spin, second prize. First spin, first prize. And if you didn't get in, don't worry. We got another one up. I think, yes. So there you go. What in the world? Is this saying there's only... Oh, so this starts... Let me refresh this. It should be live. If you didn't get in, the next one is going to be... We're going to do the same amount. Everything is going to be the same for February. All right. U.S. Court Appeals. Reversal Tornado Cash Sanctions. So this is a big deal. BlackRock has bought $600 million worth of Bitcoin. Probably nothing. I wouldn't worry about it. Also, probably nothing. Lumens and Trump seen together, taking photos. Probably nothing. I wouldn't worry about it. All right, let's get into the charts. The TA. He says, dude, your Carl is so good. I'm like losing my voice. Jimmy's mom said the Bitcoin strategic reserve is not going to get passed. Donald Trump is not going to pass the Bitcoin strategic reserve. When is this damn alt season going to start? February. Alts are for big X's. Get more Bitcoin. That's right. Will be 1 million per coin. I think so. I agree with Eli. Now, I don't think that that's happening this bull run, but it will happen sooner or later. One day, Bitcoin will be above. One day, Bitcoin will be above $1 million. I'm here. I came from X, a.k.a. Jimmy. Jimothy! How the hell are you, Jimothy? Good to have you here. Have one of the whales and dolphins. Can you replace the raffle with the 404 page? Yes. Yes, let's do that. Good call. Jimmy's mom's at the 404 page. There we go. There we go. Here we go. There you go. So if you want to get into the raffle for February, if you missed the next one, no worries. We're going to keep doing these. It should be fun. All right, we're going to do it in 9 minutes. So spam that like button, hit that share so other people can spam that like button. Matt Anderson, thank you for the $2 donation, brethren. You savage. My mom said XRP is going to $1 gazillion. Holy guacamole. Thank you for the support, bro.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
So how do you enter into the drawing? Here you go. Here's the next one right here. I don't think so. LFG. Phone didn't get changed. Tim, thanks for the $2 donation. Matt's mom is correct.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
I don't know about that. I can't find Sonic on CoinMarketCap. It's SOLNIC. Thank you for the GGs, Cali XT. Thank you for the chili and the ice cream cone. You savages.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
Nacho cheese, nacho crypto. Who got the Sonic, or not the Sonic, but the Jupiter airdrop? Anybody get their, who claimed their Jupiter airdrop today? That was definitely going on. I don't know if it's still going on. Realistically, Bitcoin is a 2x from here from Max. Yes, I think that that's right. $207,000. But Bitcoin, you know, is the only thing for sure that we know is here forever. Forever. Gelfrey, thanks for the $2 donation, brother. You savage. Tim's mom is... Tim! Your mom is famous.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
How about IMX? We'll get into everyone's coins after. We're going to do... In 5 minutes, we're going to do the spins. I claimed it and put it into a Sonic liquidity pool. Let's freaking go, bro.
But the cream will rise to
Follow
the top.
and
Oh, yeah.
subscribe, you savage. Is it safe to claim your Jupiter airdrop on Phantom? I'm holding my Sonic also. Yes. Listen, here's the deal. I think it's dangerous for most airdrops, but Jupiter is legit. Okay? And they've given out some of the biggest airdrops ever. Just make sure it's the correct website. That's where it's going to be not safe, right? Make sure it is Jupiter's official website. But it, like, in reality, if you're swapping on Soulflare or Phantom, in the background, they're going to be using Jupiter anyway. So you're already connected to Jupiter anyways. So Ski, ETH a 3x from here, reasonable? Yes, I think so. I think that Ethereum gets to 7,000, as high as 15,000 if we're lucky. I didn't see a button to claim the airdrop. You have to sign up with it. I just put a video on it. Basically, you need to create an email. You got to give them an email and then connect your wallet, and it'll say claim. That's how you do it. I think I got like $700 or $800 for free. For free. So yeah, Jupiter is legit. You just got to make sure it's the correct one. I claimed it. We'll have to look into the airdrop. Yes. I don't. Where does the claim show up? Watch the video. You gotta claim it. If you're eligible, you'll be able to claim it immediately. If not, it'll say that you're not eligible or this wallet is not eligible. I got like 250. Let's go. Rose info will help him to 1 USD. Yes. Who's awesome? That's who. Let's go. Appreciate you, John. I hope you're right about 118K in February. I'm right. Darnell Trump. What about him? What did you need to do to get the airdrop? Matt, check out my most recent video that I posted. It's a 2-minute video. It's a tutorial on how to do it. And I put the link in the description. What happened to Proppy? It did not just go through. What do I have to do to get a one-on-one portfolio advice session? I'm going to set up a calendar link. But for now, just you could send me a DM. All right. What do we got? 3 minutes. All right, 3 minutes. We're going to do the spin. I'm down 20% on my Rose spot position even after DCing. Do you think? Yes. Because I don't think that the... Let's look at Rose real quick. I think we got time. Because really, there's nothing to update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still at the range. We got to break out of the range. There you go. There's your update on Bitcoin. The same. All right. Win 50K follower raffle. Okay. The joke that made me laugh the funniest, I think, was Ghost Town. I don't know who that is. Ghost Town had the joke. It was the joke was Deshaun Watson's career, and that made me laugh out loud. So that's the winner. 50,000 Solnic airdrop to Ghost Town. But don't worry, we're gonna do more giveaways. Is YouTube description? Yes. He had a good rally. Yes, sir. It's been on my top value plays for a while. But yeah, Rose, I think that the risk to reward, I don't think that there's relatively, like there's always risk, but my God, like where are we at? We're back testing the same prior range. I mean, I think this is about as good as it gets. What's your market update? It's going down, bro. It's going down, bro. It's going down, all right. Let me show you what's going down. 11 new states have filed for a Bitcoin strategic reserve. 1 year ago today, Bitcoin was at $40,000. It's going down, all right. BlackRock has just bought 600 million Bitcoin. $600 million worth of Bitcoin today. It's going down, all right. It's going down for real. Come on now. It's going down, all right. All right, let's do this spin. You know what else is going down? The Sonic spin ski. The spin ski. I'm going to put you guys in a spin cycle. All right. Let me go over I'm going to try to be as transparent as I can. Okay. I don't know if I'm still logged in or not. If I'm not logged in, I cannot show you. Because that's... Yep. Sorry. All right. Basically, the way that I've done this, there were some people that bought like $100, and there were some people that bought like 1. So this person, SVF, has bought 1 ticket. So they have 1 weight. That is their probability. If you bought 10 tickets, your weight is 10. So that is your probability. Okay? That's it. However many tickets you bought, that is your probability. That's your weight. Okay? So everyone, when we scroll through all the wallets, I don't know who is who. It's just wallets. So you're automatically going to get your Solnic, and you're going to need to prove that you got your Solnic in order to get the portfolio review, etc. So here you go. The most that I am tracking is 10. That is the most that any one person bought. So it's going to go 3 spins. The first spin is third prize. That's 25,000 Solnic. The second spin is second prize. That's 50,000 Solnic in a portfolio review, and I'm going to write down the wallets. But this will be as soon as the Solnic is going to be in your wallet right after the stream. And third spin is first prize. That is 100,000 Solnic and portfolio review and one-on-one consultation. All right, here we go. Drum roll, please. All right, let's go. Third prize goes to... Oh! That was so close. All right, so B1PU QAH. Third prize. All right, out right after this stream, 25,000 Solnic is going to your wallet. You don't need to do nothing else. All right, whoever this wallet is, 25,000 Solnic is going to be there. All right. So we're going to remove this. Yep. All right. Spin number 2. Here we go. This one is for 50,000 Solnic and a portfolio review. F1 W2 WV8. Second prize. Congratulations. The 50,000 Solnic you need nothing for. If you want the portfolio review, you're going to have to prove to me that you received the 50,000. Congratulations. Right after the stream, though, 50,000 is going to your wallet. You need nothing else to do for that. All right. And for the grand prize, this one's going to be for 100,000 Solnic and 100 a portfolio review and a one-on-one consultation over an hour long, over a $2,000 value. Drum roll, please. Oh, okay. Wow. That was so close. 1L9J. And then M. First prize. Again, you need nothing for the 100,000. If you want to claim the portfolio review and the consultation, you do need the, you're going to have to prove that I sent that to you. All right. How to participate. All right, so we're going to do these every couple of weeks. We have started the clock on the new one, February 5th. It's right here down at the bottom. So $10 per ticket. There is a maximum of 2,000 entries. So I don't want this like to be some crazy thing. and anything that is left over is going into the Sonic chart. In fact, what we've earned after this stream, I will be buying Sonic with it and then donating it to the winners. All right, so, and this is what it's going to be every couple of weeks. The next one, it's not December 27th, so that's when this one started. This one's going to be from January 22nd through February 5th. That's when the contest is going to be over, and then we'll start another one. But 2,000 is the maximum of entries, $10 per ticket. First prize gets you 100,000 Sonic and a portfolio review and a one-on-one consultation. Second prize, 50,000 Sonic and a portfolio review. Third prize is 25,000 Sonic. And obviously, as you can see, the wheel, however many tickets you get, is the weight of your chances of winning, just like any raffle, right? However many tickets you get, the better chances you get. So there you go. Congrats to the winners. I literally do not know who they are. Congratulations. Cool. And so we'll do that every couple of weeks. All right, let's get into it, guys. Let's go. Send it. Damn, that was close. Congrats to all the winners. ETH Pump first in alt season for the last. I think so, 2C. Congrats to all the winners. Texas and Massachusetts doing that is impressive. The other states have very small economies. California jumps in. Holy schneizers. That's right. Can we look at Nora DeFi? What's your thoughts? Yes. I want to give my closing thoughts on Rose. And I've been saying that Rose has been a blue chip, a top value play for a while. It's just been skidding. It's actually down 50% over the last, since December, which is not awesome. Not awesome. But the upside to downside risk right now, we're on top of this little trend line. We have broken out of the support. You have accumulation, sign of strength back test of the prior range. You're on top of all of this support. In my opinion, the downside risk at this point for Rose is 10%. That is reasonably what your downside risk is. That is the same risk as the stock market. Reasonable, right? Are there scenarios where it could go lower? Yes, but you have bigger problems. But a reasonable risk is 10%. And your upside potential is a 5x minimum. 5x minimum. Retracement is 93 cents. That's a 13x. And parabolic, you're looking at 20 to 30x. So potentially risking 10% for a 10 plus X gain. I will take that all day, every day. Rose has now officially, this is my top blue chip play. It's not even close. So 100x leverage lows, Rose. I didn't say that. Good idea to swap LCX for Rose. I think that LCX, I like LCX. I think LCX is a good value, but Rose has a similar setup to LCX right in the final moments before it broke out. What about Flux? $5 to $20. I still like Flux a lot as well. All right, guys, that was fun. Why isn't ETH moving? What do you mean, bro? Crow, $1 to $2. Jasmine, 10 to 12 cents. Let's look at IMX for my man Eli. Still into Naka. I am still into Naka. IMX looks very good to me. I like this accumulation pattern right here. So you have a macro accumulation, a huge sign of strength. This kind of resembles a lot like LCX, actually. Or not, yeah, LCX. And then you have a micro accumulation, selling climax, automatic rally, secondary test, sign of strength even, back test of the prior range. This is macro accumulation and micro accumulation. It already hit the retracement though, so you really only have two targets to consider, unless you pull a fib from here, which we can do that, and we'll actually see if we get any confluence. So retracement micro would be 280. Macro parabolic is 740. And then do we have any confluence? We do. Micro 3618 and the macro 2618. There is confluence in here. So call it $11. That is a pretty key level. I would definitely take profit here. So pretty good. I'd say that this is also decent risk to reward ratio. An 11x for about a 10% reasonable downside risk. I think that this is a good value play as well. I don't know what the inflation is on this. Let me check that before I really stamp my name on it. I'm not stamping my name on nothing. What is the inflation? Okay, so 85%, so pretty good. Okay, but this has been a lot of inflation though. This is still accumulation. This is still accumulation. I would say that this is probably only get to the 1618, so $8. VeChain 40 cents. I like VeChain a lot from here. Any other coins like Rose? There's a lot of coins like Rose. As far as blue chips, though, it's ICP, Rose, VeChain. Those are my top 3 plays. Let's look at VeChain. I think that for blue chips, though, Rose and ICP are the best plays right now. Blue chips. Yeah, VeChain is looking very good, too. Yeah. For medium caps, I would say Flux right now. And XRA is good. What are some of my other medium caps that I really like here for risk to reward? What are some of the other ones? I'm trying to think. I'm trying to give you like just 3. I know I have like 22. Like, what are the best 3? What are the best 3 right now? Specifically for medium caps. Specifically for medium caps, I'm going to put Dent. So we're going to say Flux, Dent. And what was my other one? And XRA. Top low caps. Sonic. Hee News. Top memes. Sonic, Hee News. Top 3 schmedium caps. Suki. Dynex. Naka. Top 22 plays with the most upside potential, downside risk. Solnic, H&T, Rose, ICP, Shiba, Dent, VeChain, Naka, IOTA, Flux, Theta, Krill, Suki, Raven, Dynex, Dot, XYO, Hee, Crow, Phantom, NXRA, News, and Harmony 1. Right now, I'm telling you though, for blue chips, my highest conviction is Rose. That is my highest conviction. Ski, should I convert my SEI into Rose? Thanks. My highest conviction blue chip is Rose. What's your Harmony 1 target? About a 10x from here. IOTA. Can you give an update on IOTA? IOTA is still a value play. And don't forget about XRP. It's going to 100 quazillion, gazillion, million, dillion, chillion, billion, billion dollars. So is it okay to buy Rose now? Yes. I think, listen, we just went over Rose. Honestly, reasonably, downside risk at this point is 10%. Now, there's other stuff that could happen. You know, like whatever, like the blockchain could break. They could dump a bunch of supply. There are like other factors, but if all is equal, meaning like travesty does not strike, if the world goes on, if the sun comes up tomorrow, your reasonable risk Reasonable risk is about 10 to 11% for Rose. That's pretty damn good. Especially in crypto. When is the Sonic merch going to be available? The Sonic merch is available now. I didn't show you guys that. Whoopsies. Whoopsies. I'm a Sagittarius. It's available now. Let me find... I don't know if Dan is watching. Here we go. All right, I'm going to put a link. We're going to put a link on TikTok, and we're going to put a link on... So I'm going to move this a little bit to the left. We're going to shrink this. We're going to shrink this, and we're going to add one more link. And that's going to be the... This is the Sonic merchandise. If you want to get some high-quality shirts... there you go. It is available. We'll put that in the chat. We'll put that in. Says, why Rose? What info you have? Bro, listen. How long have you followed me? I don't give a shit what they do. I care about structure. I care about supply. I care about Wyckoff accumulation. I care about Fibonacci levels. That's it. All right, let's click on this. I'm going to show you guys what this is. What we're talking about here. We're talking the Rolex wearing. So there you go. On the front, you got the new Sonic logo. On the back, you got the "Don't be average, be a savage." And that comes in white or black. So there you go. It's available. I forgot to, sometimes I do so much stuff, guys. Sometimes I forget to show you what we've done. We're like 2,000 lines deep on the code for the stablecoin and for the swap app already, by the way. We still got a lot of work to do. I'm not going to pretend like we don't have a lot of work to do. There's lots of work to be done. But I'm scared to say that we're ahead of schedule. I'm terrified to say that. But things are looking very well. And we are at least on schedule. What is the price of Rose right now? 6.6 cents. Price prediction for LCX and XLM, $1 to $2 for both, actually. No, Rose is Oasis. When do you reckon Rose will start going up? By February. Just tuned back in. Sorry, buddy. Had to take a bath with the kid. How are you feeling about IOTA? IOTA still looks good to me. AMP looks solid to me. Solid 10x from here. ETH pumps first and then alt season. I think so. Apparently he can't read. 5 people told him 29 times. Who can't read? Price prediction for news media. I think that news media easily gets above 10 million. Easily. Easily. So, what is that? 1 cent? Good team. Strong team. 30% of their supply is locked for a year. And I think it's like another 20%. I don't know. I know for sure 30% is locked for a year. And then they have 30% is in liquidity. And then I don't remember what the other percentage is, but it's like the supply deviation is very low. I know for a fact, though, 30% is locked for a year, and then they have the like 20 or 30%, whatever it is, that's burned in liquidity. Is news making your videos yet? Yes. That should be, they should have my video done any day now. VRA targets. If you snooze, you lose. Or whatever asked you, Rose. V chain, 40 cents. Dent, 1 to 7 cents. Always loved amp. Yeah, I think amp looks good as well. I just buy 500 in rows. DCA, bro. That's the best thing. But I think the risk to reward right here is as good as it's looked. And I've thought that Rose is a top value play for a while. It's been skidding. But where we're at right now, this is, I mean, you're buying the bottom of the range. Says, bro, is there a drop down for sizes on that Sonic shirt? Yes. I think it's through like extra small through like 5XL. Says, clip it. Nick, thanks for the W. The lightning. Cali XT, thanks for the lightning. My God, why is it not notifying me? Nice guy, thanks for the chili. Nice guy, thanks for the heart. Thank you for the roses, you savages.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Bingo, you can buy the Sonic shirts at the bottom. Thoughts on Shiba? I think Shiba does a 5 to 10x. You ship to Canada? Yes, this should ship internationally. Here, I'll pin it on YouTube. ETH chart. Let's look at Ethereum. When XRP $4. When Bitcoin gets above $118,000. I mean, realistically, I only think XRP is getting to... I've sold 30% of my XRP. Let me be clear. I was buying XRP like they were going to run out in 2022. My average price over 2022 is like 30-something cents. I've sold 30% of my XRP. My average price overall is like 15 cents on XRP. Freaking Mike Tyson. Now Kith. I have sold 30% overall of my XRP. Realistically, I think XRP does a double from here. For keeping it a buck. I am not looking to buy any more XRP. I'm looking to exit my XRP. 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 Exit RP. No, thank you. My boy Ski finally became a Dolphin today. Stacking for a while. Let's freaking go, bro.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Listen, guys. When I tell you I am not emotional about this game, when I tell you I have a plan, I stick to my plan, I stick to my prices. That's it. Even me, when I deviate from my plan, guess what happens? I get wrecked too. So I'm not doing it. I'm sticking to my plan. And if I miss 20, 30%, okay, I'm cool with that. I've already done a 10x. On XRP. I'm cool with it. Let that be for somebody else. I'm cool, bro. What are you buying? My top value plays right now. Let me just give you my top blue chips, and then I'll give you my top micros. How about that? Top blue chips with the highest conviction, upside potential, downside risk right now. VeChain. Rose is the highest conviction, and then ICP. Those are my top blue chip buys right now. Most upside potential, downside risk protection. All of those are around roughly like 10, 15%, 20% maybe downside risk with over a 10x upside potential. I'll take that all day, every day, twice on Sunday. Sign me up and again and again and again and again and again. Please, thank you, sir. May I have another? Now, top micros, Solnick, News Media. Good morning from London, bro. It's 1:23 a.m. I finally fished accumulating 2 million Solnick. Let's freaking go. And get some sleep, bro. Appreciate you, though.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
All right, Ethereum. Ethereum in the micro has a classic accumulation structure. Markdown, selling climax, automatic rally, secondary test, sign of strength, back test of the prior range. This is probably your micro selling climax. It's on top of the 200 macro as well. I don't think we're getting below that. So Ethereum is realistically only going to go to 7,000 or so. But this is pretty good as well. So I think Ethereum gets to about 7,200. Pepe, a good buy. 2x. No Fat Cat. Fat Cat's fine. I like Fat Cat. XRP. I am exiting my XRP position. I have sold 30% of my XRP. Let me say it again. I have sold 30% of my XRP. Why? Because I bought my XRP not at $3. I bought my XRP at 30 cents. Last time. Overall, I bought my XRP at 15 cents. I have sold 30% of my XRP, and guess what I'm going to be doing with that? I'm going to be buying land. So while everyone else is theorizing about the land of Nod and Odd and what ifs and what wins, I have realized the gains already. If I miss another 1x, okay, guess what I'm going to have? 20 acres, 50 acres. I have sold 30% of my XRP. I'm not buying anymore. Some people think XRP can go to $10. It could. It could. I'll have 70% if it wants to go there. I'm going to be selling the rest. I'm going to tell you the rest of my exit strategy for XRP. My average position is 15 cents. Here's the rest of my exit strategy for XRP. Steal it if you like. Be okay with leaving 20, 30% on the table. That's fine. You don't need to sell the absolute top. Guess what? I'm buying like 50 acres of land with my XRP 30%. That's cool. We're good. I will be selling at $5, at $8, and $12. So while everyone else is theorizing, what about if it really goes to 589? I'm buying land, bro. We're out. I'm out. Peace. Do you have a prediction for Solnick? 10 cents is my bare bones case. $1 is my medium case for Solnick. $5.89 is my bull case for Solnick. H-bar prediction, 60 cents. V-chain, 40 to 69 cents. $12 max. I agree. $12 is my maximum. I think that $5 is likely. $8 we're pushing it, and $12 is a gift. I will be 75% out of my XRP at $8. When are you going to be able to buy Solnick with email? Solnick was the first one to do that. Yes, that's in March. March of 2020, literally next month. 1 month from now. Yes, that's correct. XLM, $1 to $2. Is H&T a good play? H&T is one of my top plays right now. Helium Mobile. Chainlink, $80 to $180. Bro, Doge, $1 to $2. Sounds like maybe you could do tree farming or something. Pretty cool. Well, the land that... So, listen. Listen. I'm going to have a talk with my wife later, but I might be doing a stream from Ohio again like we did because me and my wife are going to go look at some land. We're thinking about buying a farm. It's like half woods and half... It's about half woods and about half... My God. Pastures. Jesus. So yeah, while everyone else is like thinking about lands of Nod and Odd, I'm buying actual land with my XRP realized gains. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Realized gains is cool. It's way better than theorized. All right? You got Polish roots? Sure do. Oh, there we go. Farmers, I'll make farmer ski. Ohio is beautiful. Yeah, it's about an hour from Ohio. It's technically in Kentucky. Total market cap, my prediction is $8.8 trillion. Yeah, I am Polish. ICP 100 to 140. Still like Dynex. I still like Dynex. Farmer ski. Could you look at Alf? Yeah. VRA is so disappointing. It's because VRA has so much inflation. Polish here too. The Polish army is strong. Trump coin. I opened a short on Trump coin today. And I am up on that coin. I am up on that short. Can 100K in 2026 bear market make me a millionaire in the next bull run? I think so. So that would be $10. 100K what? Just US dollar? Yeah, absolutely. Could you 10x your money in the bear market? Absolutely, Nick. Absolutely. I'm Polish too. How do you short Trump coin? So in the bottom right corner, there's actually a bonus going on here. This one right here. Let me make it you cannot see anything else. Right here, there's a bonus right now. What is the bonus? You can short it on that website though. If you use my link, there is a pretty nice bonus going on right now. Let me pull it up for you guys. All right. Here it is. So if you deposit, if you want to like yield farm some deposit bonuses, this is what you could do. If you deposit $100, you get a $30 bonus. Deposit $500, $200 bonus. 1,000 is $450. 5,000 is 1,500, etc. 100,000 is 3,000. 200,000 is 10,000, and then $1 million. One small loan of $1 million. That's 100,000 deposit. So there you go. That is with that one. I converted my $250 Jupiter into Solnic. That's right. There is a Jupiter airdrop. If you guys haven't gotten that, if you use Jupiter at all, check your wallets. ICP or VeChain. I like VeChain long term. Like I feel comfortable buying spot more on VeChain and just holding it in my portfolio. But as far as ROI for like a swing trade, I would do ICP. Why are you convinced Trump's on the way down? Because you don't go from zero to, what was it, $50 billion overnight and not have a pullback. That doesn't mean it's going to keep going up. It's probably going to 3 to 5x from here. That's a short-term short. That's not a long-term short for me. But, yeah, that's why. Every yen, there's a yang. You don't go from literal $0 48 hours ago to multiple billions of dollars and not have a pullback. That's not real. That's why. Can 20K? Yeah, 20K could. Absolutely. Ski, what made you change your H-bar prediction from 40 to 60 cents now? 40% is the realistic, 60 cents is the parabolic. Sorry if I was not clear about that. 40 cents is my probable case, 60 cents is my higher case. Are you going to get donkey and name it Knuckles? I don't know about a donkey. Polygon, $9. If you're buying for 10x, what is more sure, ICP, VeChain, or Rose Crow? Actually, 2C, I'm going to keep it a buck with you. I think all of those will probably come close to 10xing. Probably 8x would be the low end. But I think, I'm not going to say for sure. Nothing in life is for sure, but there's a high probability that Rose, Crow, and ICP all 10x from here. There's a decent probability that VeChain 10x is from here as well. But it's a little bit lower probability than the rest of them. Right? Nothing is guaranteed. You just go off of probabilities. I think all four of those have decent probabilities of 10xing from here. I think that ICP, Rose, and Crow could even 20x from here. I wish I could pay someone to swing trade various coins for me. What ticket did you say again? For what? Flux will 10x from here? I think so. ICP does a 10x. I'll actually cry with happiness. Just don't forget about me. How about that? VRA is highly inflationary, right? Maybe it gets to the 382. Can you look at LCX? We sure can. $1 to $2 though is the LCX is an example of like how I view coins, right? Like I promise you guys, I am not emotional about this game. I am not, and I will not. Right? I was screaming from the mountains. 8, 9, 10 cents. I was screaming from the mountains. I was beating my chest from the mountains. I was saying that LCX is my top highest conviction play outside of Solnick. Just like I'm saying that with Rose today. I was saying this at 8 and 9 cents on my mama, on my hood, video evidence, documented. Go and look at my live streams in November of 2024. 8 and 9 cents. I said that this is my highest conviction play outside of Solnick. By the way, Solnick has outperformed LCX from this moment too. And then what did it do? It did a 4x in 30 days. That is a lifetime of stock market gains in 30 days. Your whole entire career. If you start working from 20 years old until 65, your entire 401k will not do that. That's what LCX did in 30 freaking days. And then what? I removed it from the top value plays because I'm not emotional about it. It did a 4x. And then what? Did I say it's going to keep going? You better get in now before it's too late, guys. No. I said it's not on the top values anymore. Now it's pretty good value again. I said that I didn't think that it was value here. It's decent value. Still not top value. Still not top value. Decent value. On top of the 200 moving average. Below the 382, which is what I consider good value. 236 is excellent value. 382 is good value. I think LCX is good value, not excellent. So it's not on my top plays anymore. I'm not emotional about this. That's it. That's as simple as it is. I have my plans. I have my targets. I stick to my plans. I stick to my targets. Just like I was buying XRP at 30 freaking cents. And at 30 cents, my targets were $1.11. Check. $2.22. Check. $3.33. Check. Guess what I'm doing now? I'm buying land. $5, $8, $12. These were my plans, and I am not emotional about it. So I think LCX gets to $1 as high as $3. Or excuse me, $2, not $3. Entry point for Rose right now. Just like, listen, I'm telling you right now, Rose is my equivalent. So my highest conviction is Sonic. My highest conviction, blue chip, just like I was saying, at 8, 9, 10 cents, that screaming from the mountains. Call me Mountain Man because I'm screaming from the mountains. My highest conviction, upside potential, downside risk. That is Rose right now. It was LCX. LCX did a 4X. I removed LCX. I said it's not value at all. It came back 50+%. I said it's decent value. Still not excellent. Still not excellent. 50%. Decent value. Good value. Still not excellent. This is how Rose is right now. Rose is right here to me. So there you go. I thought it was Sonic. I said blue chip. Sonic is my highest conviction play, 100x play. My highest conviction blue chip right now is Rose and ICP. LCX looking good. I think so. LCX is looking good. I don't think LCX is getting below the 200. 20 cents, you're lucky to get that. I like how you rotate pricks. Listen, I promise you I'm not emotional about this. I have my price targets. I have my value areas that I'm looking for, and that's it. What do you think of Blast, sir? Here are my thoughts on Blast. I think that Blast can... Hold up now. Let me cook. Blast is decent. I'm be honest with you. Blast paid me $10. I have $3. No. Blast paid me to make 10 videos. I still owe them 6 videos. This is going to be a video right here. But before they paid me, I asked them, and I was very clear. Can I tell my honest opinions? If I can't tell my honest opinions, I don't want your money. They just wanted me to talk about them. So that's the truth. They paid me to make 10 videos. I've made 4 videos. But they said they don't care if it's up, down, sideways. I brought up my inflation concerns. They have inflation. Okay? Here's my honest thoughts that are paid for. Right now, my thoughts on Blast. Blast has a classic Wyckoff accumulation setup. Selling climax, automatic rally, secondary test, sign of strength, back test of the prior range. Now, retracement, I think it goes to 1.8 cents. Parabolic could be as high as 5 cents. Now, if we're being honest, I think that there's more opportunity with Blast and their ecosystem rather than buying as an investment, in my personal opinion, because there is inflation at the end of the bull market. So this is in January of 26. There's a big unlock that's happening. But between now and then, I think it could 5 to 10x. But the better opportunity, actually, in my opinion, is their ecosystem. So there you go. That is my God to honest paid thoughts. Notice how I told you it's paid, right? I'm not doing undisclosed shills. Nor did they give me a script. I literally asked them, if I don't like it, can I say I don't like it? They said yes. So I agreed. Like, if you just want me to talk about it, damn, I'll talk about it. So that's it. That's what they want. They wanted me to talk about them. Say it one more time. All right. But honest to God, no. You and Alvarez are top of the list. Thanks, bro. Appreciate that. I would be even if I did. It's always a good idea. Realized gains are better than theorized gains. I'm telling you right now. Realized gains are better than theorized gains. Say it with me, folks. Realized gains are better than theorized gains. Your thoughts on XLM and XTC? XLM $1 to $2. XTC 60 cents. What can you say about Trump coin? I'm in an active short on Trump coin right now. I think Trump coin will 3 to 5x overall over the bull market. My short is a short-term short, not a long-term short. Just joined. How is Sonic looking? Beautiful. I invested in Blast. Now, listen, to be honest with you, the chart looks good. Truly. But let's see what the ROI potential is. Their unlock is not until January that I'm tracking. So 1.6x for a retracement and a 6.5x for parabolic. That's what the Fibonacci's Wyckoff accumulation says. Now, if they're paying me, guess what? Here's the truth. If they're paying me, they're paying other influencers too. That's the truth. That might be good. That might be bad. I don't know. Their charts look okay to me. 1.5x to 6.5x. How many X's for Dent and Raven? Raven will do about a 12x to a 20x. Dent, fake Calvin Hill, I think does a minimum of a 10 to 20x as well. Thoughts on Suki? Suki's one of my top value plays right now. Uni, I think, does a 10x from here. Quant 700 to 1300. Why are you not more bullish on Polygon? All of my price predictions are not based off of anything other than Wyckoff accumulation, supply, Fibonacci's. That's it. If it's good for the goose, it's good for the gander. Everything, every piece of analysis I do is based off of that. All right, let's look at Sonic's chart. Sonic is my number one 100x coin. My highest conviction play. Rose is my highest conviction blue chip right now. Sonic is my highest overall conviction with the most potential to do a real deal 100x. Show me a sub $10 million market cap with a weekly chart that looks like this. I'm buying it. I promise you, I'm not emotional. Literally, I want you to tell me. I would like to add to my position. Tell me a sub $10 million market cap that has a weekly chart, meaning each and every candle looks like this. I will buy it, not now, but right now. Tell me a sub $10 million market cap with a roadmap that looks like this. In March, you're going to be able to buy it on Gmail. April, stablecoin. June, swap app. August, you're going to be able to lend, borrow, liquidity mine, stake. November, Sonic Bet, Sonic's version of Polyswap. On my mama, tell me a coin that has a roadmap like this. I will buy it right now. And then the Sonic documentary is coming out, a feature-length documentary, BYOB, Be Your Own Bank. Hi, bro. What time are you joining TikTok every day? Generally 8:30 in the morning. I say that, but I've been late a couple times. 8:30 to 10:30 in the morning, Monday through Friday, and then Saturday, the evening live streams are a little bit more sporadic. Is that enough? I think so. 100,000 Sonic is definitely a good start. What is it available on? Currently available on Soulflare, Phantom, Radium, Jupiter, Seto X, Coinbase Wallet. It's available on Base Chain. It's available on Solana. It's available on Avalanche. So there you go. My highest conviction 100x play. Not even close. What should we invest in? I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot legally, morally, or ethically tell you what you should do. I can tell you what I am doing. I can tell you by my analysis what I believe to be the most upside potential and the least downside risk based off of a factor of things such as what the charts say, such as what Fibonacci say, such as what Wyckoff says, such as what their supply says, and their roadmap, where their support is, where the Fibonacci's say the targets could go. I could do that, but I can't tell you what to do because I'm not a financial advisor. But with all of that factored in, the most upside potential, the least downside risk, my top value plays are... This is not financial advice. This is, by my estimation, what I believe to be the highest upside potential and the least downside risk based off of support, Fibonacci's, Wyckoff, supply, etc. What are they, Nano? Are you here? Top value plays: Solnic, HNT, Rose, ICP, Shiba, Dent, VeChain, Naka, IOTA, Flux, Theta, Krill, Suki, Raven, Dynex, Dot, XYO, He, Crow, NXRA, Phantom, News, and Harmony. If I were to give you my top 100x play, it's Solnic. If I were to give you my top blue chip right now, it's Rose. $1.62 million Solnic. Let's go.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
What do you think of Luna? No, thank you. That's what I think. Helium Bull Run, $50 to $100. Thoughts on MPCS? VeChain minimum, 20 cents. Solnic CA, XTZ9 is the last four. If a moderator puts it in the chat, that is correct. I have 62,000 rows now. That's definitely a good amount. Do GME. Brett prediction, $10 billion market cap. Can you chart? Cello prediction. There you go. Coffee just put in the contract address. That is the correct contract address. XTZ9. Top 100 X play. Where can I find the link for the airdrop on Radium? OG Crypto. I did a video on it. It should be in the description. So hopefully I put it in the description. So if you didn't know, there is a airdrop for Jupiter going on right now. Ah, shit, I didn't put it in here. There we go. I'm not one for airdrop farming. Listen, I got to be honest. Most airdrops are a scam. But Jupiter does some pretty damn good airdrops. I just made a video on it. I show you how to do it. You have to connect your Soulflare or your Phantom, your Solana wallets. I think I got like $800 today from it. Cardano is still $6 to $8, but yes. It's been a long time, but holding my Flux and Rose like they are my babies. I sing them lullabies at night every night. But you're buying a farm ski? I'm buying an Omic Farmer ski. You're bullish on Polygon. $9. The graph. Same thing, Jay. Inflation, bro. The graph is kind of like VRA. Very good project. And even a good chart structure, but too much inflation for me. Is Luna C dead? I think so. Total 3 in an uptrend or a downtrend? Let's see. I like where total 3 is. Cello prediction. I don't remember my cello prediction. ICP is the strongest, my second highest conviction blue chip play right now. I have not had this much. Listen, I'm going to tell you. I know we go live every day. I haven't had this much conviction in the blue chips since LCX and XYO broke out. I'm trying to tell you that even though they've been my top value plays for a while, and it's always been true, and relatively a year from now, when it goes to $1, it's not going to matter if you got it at 7 or 5 cents or 6 cents or wherever the hell you got it. It won't matter, right? That's still true. However, in the micro, I have not had this much conviction on Rose, ICP for blue chips, and then obviously everything else. But those two specifically for blue chips are the highest convictions right now. And I don't care what they're doing. That's based off of Wyckoff, that's based off of charts, that's based off of supply, etc. But my wife's boyfriend says...
But Ski, my wife's boyfriend told me that Bitcoin's going to 12K. What should I do?
Says, no, are you bullish on Polygon? Yes, I like Polygon. Ski hair when Sonic gets $1. Luda! Will Rose be better than XYO? From here, probably, yeah. Because you have to understand, XYO's already done a 6X. And then it came back 50+%. But it already did a 6X not even that long ago. Dogecoin, sir, $1 to $2. ICP, 100 to 140. Theta, $40. That's the max. That's not what I'm telling you. I'm telling you that's the maximum probability. The most probable thing that's going to happen for Polygon is an 8X. Cello has a little bit of inflation and a lot to consider. There's still 45%. So retracement is what I think for Cello. $420 blazing. Exit plan for Rose. 40 cents, $1, $2. Someone woke XYO up. Is XYO moving? Let me find out, bro. Let me find out I gotta remove XYO again. Let me find out we're removing XYO. Get out of here, XYO. Nah, she's still there. Looks good, though. 420. There's too much inflation. Thoughts on Casper? No. I never, not one time, have liked Casper. I am almost certain that this was a paid shill in 2023. It has one of the worst charts I've ever seen in my whole life. That's my thoughts on Casper. And that's the end of it for me. Like, I don't care. Listen, I don't care if a coin cures cancer, if they walk on water. I don't care if they are Santa Claus. I don't care what they do. If they have a bad chart and lots of inflation, I am not interested. Period. End of story. What's USDC going to do? It's going to melt faces, bruh. Exit plan for XYO. 10 cents and 20 cents. Is the Rose the same as Oasis? Yes. What do you think XRP does? I have sold 30% of my XRP. I am not interested in buying any more XRP. My average price of XRP is 30 cents. from last bull market. My average price overall on XRP is 15 cents. Let me say again, I have sold 30% of my XRP. I am not buying any more XRP. In fact, I am buying land with the XRP profits that I made. I'm going to look at land in the next couple of days with the XRP profits that I made. I'm not buying anymore. So don't get sucked up into a cult. Maybe it goes to $12. It will probably go to $5 to $8. What do I have to do to get you to look at my portfolio? Send me a DM, bro. What other thing would you do with profit besides land? Gold is a good... I buy silver every week. I buy gold and silver every week. I think Bitcoin is a good place to store your wealth. I'm going to say no chance. Let me be clearly. The probability is $5 to $8. I'm pretty sure. My portfolio is down, waiting. Okay. Well, while you're waiting, get out of the straw view and understand that literally 1 year ago today, Bitcoin was at 40K. That is 20 years of stock market gains. That's what Bitcoin did in a year. Basically, your entire working contributions to your 401k, that's what Bitcoin did last year. So let's just zoom out just a little bit. Rose Oasis, yes, that's my top blue chip play right now. Bitcoin is king. I'm heading to 8 years of stacking it. Best decision I ever made. I agree, bro. The only thing that I've said this 1,000 times. Bitcoin is my largest holding, and it will always be. I save my money in Bitcoin. I'm not a Bitcoin maxi, though, but I am a mostly, and it is my largest holding. But I'm not going to pretend like Bitcoin from here is going to do much more than a 2x. Until the next 8 years, right? The next 4 years. I've had Bitcoin since 2014. That was the first time I ever bought Bitcoin. So, I'm not a maxi, but I am a mostly. Chainlink to 150. I think that's plausible. $5 to $12. Altcoin season. Last day in Gensler's office. Lawsuit to Helium. Your opinion. I do not care. Listen, I made the analogy yesterday. My thoughts on the Helium lawsuit. The SEC is very similar to the college football SEC or the college football commissioner in that for years and years they were restrictive and they did not want to pay the players, right? They didn't give them an inch. Ohio State, their entire team got suspended for selling their gear for tattoos. Right? Imagine that. You could not play a playoff game because, and I have a point to this. The reason of what I'm saying is they were so restrictive. And then finally, when stuff started happening, guess what? Because they did not give an inch, they had zero control. And now players are getting millions of dollars and they literally do not have a control. It's the wild, wild west. The same is true with the SEC. They were so restrictive. Not giving an inch. Now that the cracks have started busting through the dam, they have no control. And it means nothing. If the SEC sues anything for anyone, it means nothing. They have no control. They have lost all credibility, all control by not working with people, rather trying to be this authoritative dictatorship, and once the cracks start to come through on the dam, it's game over. What time is it? Oh shit. I gotta go, guys. I was gonna do I have a meeting. I'm late. Alright, I'm gonna be live tomorrow. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch. Sorry to end so abruptly, but I went over my time. I am late for a meeting. I gotta go. Alright, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch. I will never message you first. If you're interested in doing a portfolio review or a consultation, you could send a DM. But that's going to be it for this time. Peace, love, prosperity, God first. God bless.
Damn, hustling, hustling, hustling.